Cool. What's good, chat? So, I'm gonna have to speak a little bit quieter today because my throat is a little bit messed up. I don't know why, but that is okay. That is okay. What's good, Rakus? What's good, Badogos? What's good, bro? What's good, Bedge? How we doing, man? Chief Keef, Max, what's happening? Beyond, Mr. OK. Bro, Mr. OK, isn't that... What's good, SG? Bro, Zulu, what's good? Cool, man, cool. Good stuff. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So. Let's get into this analysis real quick, man. It's time for us to do a little breakdown. Let me move this microphone so it's closer to me. Nice. So, chat, yesterday was a bit of a weird day. We didn't actually manage to get any positions yesterday just because, well, price action was pretty fucking weird, I can't lie. But today looks good, man. The weekly came down and broke its lows. It's nearly filled this wick. I would expect it to actually fill the wick and come down all the way to 2306. If you were to re-break the lows, it's very likely to do that, right? So maybe we can take some advantage of something like that. Also, I want to say that the daily closed respecting this level overall here at like 2319.4. So could this now be a bottom wick created on the weekly for us to continue upwards? Maybe. You don't know what gold's doing recently, but it's made that little push, and yeah, now it needs to make a decision on where it wants to go. We've rejected off of this area in the past on the daily, right? This has been a pretty strong area of rejection for us in the past, so we need to understand that essentially we can make either decision right now. We can go either way, and that's okay, but we just have to be aware and adapt to which way it does decide to go. Wait for it to do that, wait for the confirmations, and then we get in, right? Very simple. But on the 1 hour, what can we see, right? So I actually haven't looked at the charts today, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be a very simple play here. I think we're looking for sells below, yeah, just below the fucking level. So 2311.6 is a clean range below there. Any closure below there has brought us down in the past to at least 2306, and that's that daily wick fill target that we expected, right? So that's sort of another higher time frame confluence for those sells. If you can come and close below 2311.6, you should, in theory, come and fill that daily wick. The weekly wick that we were looking at just here. That's just another confluence for you there. Now, buys, obviously, we have no top wick on the 1 hour here, and gold sort of rejected at that level as we saw before. So where can we take buys above? I would say any closure above this area here at 2318, we should be good for buys, man. 2321, 2320 point. Yeah, you got room. You've got some room there. So any closure above 2318 flat, 2318.0. I'm gonna take some buys there. So yeah, essentially we've got a tight range here, literally a 70 pip range. It's not too bad. Once we get a closure either way, we'll look to take a position, and other than that, we're gonna stay patient and we're gonna wait for our positions, man. That's literally it for today. But chat, yeah, if you did enjoy that analysis, please make sure you drop a like. It's obviously completely free education, as Malenko's saying, man. So yeah, I appreciate you all very, very much. I need like a tea or something so I don't lose my voice. But man, how are you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Hopefully you had a good day yesterday. Hopefully you've had a good week so far. And yeah, man, Callum woke up to hit TP. Crazy, bro. Good shit. It's always a nice feeling. Always a nice feeling, man. Cool. Cool. Rooibos tea with honey and ginger will help. Yeah, to be fair, it would. But if my girl was here, I'd already have like a tea right next to me. The moment I said my voice was weird, she'd be like, okay, I'm making you a tea, I'm putting honey in it and ginger. And I'd be like, alright, fine. She's like, you have to drink it. Trumpet man's killing it. Yeah, as always, man. He goes crazy right now. I'm up 690% on my $1.20 demo account. Huge. Good shit. Yeah, man. So, I'm about to sneeze. Am I going to sneeze or not? Well, the answer was yes. The answer was yes, chat. So, we are coming to the end of the quarter as well, which is very important, right? It's, well, 2 days technically to the end of the trading month. And that brings us to the end of the quarter, right? So, this is where you start to reflect and think, did you have a good quarter? Did you not? Were you profitable? Did you make any mistakes? Whatever, man. And that's where you sort of reflect on. So, hopefully you guys were profitable this quarter. If not, you should know what you need to adjust. What's good, Mark? What's good, man? Chat, but I think we got a good potential today, to be honest. I think there's, wait, let me mute. How did England do yesterday? 0-0, yeah, bro, it was a shit game. My boy was there. One of my friends flew to Germany to watch it, and it just wasn't worth it. Yeah, man. But chat, there's definitely some potential today, right? I think you should start to make some moves, I would say around 9:30, 10ish. So obviously make sure to stick around for that. But yeah, once you get to close outside this range, you'll notice that this range that we have here, once you do close outside it, you make a strong push. Now, essentially we just need to wait for the direction of that push, and then we're fine. But you don't want to get caught in a fake out like this. What's good, Taxi? How you doing, man? Dylan, what's good? What's your dream car? It depends. I'd say a GT3 RS. If you're going proper end, then like a Porsche 918 Spider. I also want like a bigger car though for like a daily driver, like a G-Wagon or... Not even, it doesn't even have to be a G-Wagon, to be honest, like a Range Rover's fine. Sounds so fucking spoiled, but you know what I mean. Not a Urus though, I think they're so tacky. Morning, bro. Wasn't impressed with England. We definitely played better. Should have had at least one goal, man. Bro, I tell you what, though. He needs to start Cole Palmer next game. And Kobe Mainoo. I don't care what anyone says. That's the change you have to make. And I'd take Kane off. No, what's good, Charlie, bro? How you doing? What's good, man? What's good, Sexy? How's it going? Do you know? Yeah, bro. Michael, I can kind of tell where you're from the Anor. That's a fucking Sheffield speak there. But yeah, man. Like, he does. I knew it. I knew it. Somewhere around there at least. But yeah, man. Jude, yeah, I know, bro. He just disappeared. I don't know what's going on. It's a fucking shocking display from the England lads. We were lucky, bro. We were lucky that we just had a decent group. Like, if we had a group with Germany and France in it, we'd be out of the tournament right now. Saxy, late today. Did I miss anything? Nah, bro, you're good. We just did the analysis, and now we're waiting for some closures right now. There's not much volume, so from Hull, but only an hour away. Still your shit. Yeah, it's close enough. That counts, man. That counts. I lived in Sheffield for like 6-7 months, so like I can kind of tell. I was looking to buy a house in Hull actually, though. That's crazy. Short question about the Euros. How many of you think it's scripted? Yeah, what's good, Rosie? What's good, Jar, as well? Spion, there's no way it's scripted, bro. Good, Fazo. Why do you think it's scripted? That's a decent question. If France wins, it's scripted. Why? Isn't it something about like who won last year, who got knocked out? Because like, isn't it always that the team that won the year before doesn't qualify and shit like that? There's like loads of stuff. I don't know. Because there are so many own goals and the refs are very bad. Oh, nah, bro. I think, I don't know. I believe in quite a few conspiracies, but that one, I don't know. I think football's a bit too hard to script. Actually, I could be wrong. It could be quite easy to script. Chat, if this 4 closes below 23.11 as well, you're chilling. You are chilling. But right now, chat, in this range, there's not much I can do. Not much I can do, to be honest. Finlands, which toaster do you have? That's a good question. You ask the important questions, not Wix 9. I don't know, bro. Breville, maybe. I'm broken, I'm looking for a new one. Yeah, fair enough. Don't get the one that I've got, bro. It's not good. You can get see-through toasters now. Well, they've had them for ages, but you should get a see-through toaster. Now, what you should get one of those conveyor belt ones like they used to have at fucking shitty hotels. You know, where it like comes out, you put your bread in one side and you have to sit there and wait for it to come out the other end. Oh no, it comes down here, yeah. Bro, that's a classic. Do you guys know what I'm on about? Bro, there's a classic. I remember like, I went on a school trip once to some like... Actually, every school trip I've ever been on was one of those conveyor belt toasters. You get put in some shitty hotel and you go down for breakfast, you have to put your toast in this thing. I used to love it there. I used to like, watch it. I don't know. What's up, Lone Trader? How you doing, bro? 322 quid for a toaster. Yeah, that's a bit expensive. No way, bro. Look at this. We need to get this for Eugene. Bro, you got me Googling toasters right now, but look at this, bro. Chat, surely. Surely we grab this for Eugene, bro. It cooks your toast and your beans at the same time. That's next level. If he wasn't on holiday, I'd show him that, but that's insane. Toast and beans, you know. That's incredible. I'm gonna buy him one. He'll love that. What did I walk in on here? Yeah, my bad, my bad. When does he have a birthday? We'll get it for him. Yeah, that's a good point, actually. I'll ask him when his birthday is. Bro, chat, I met Eugene the other day. I went to a networking event with him. I was so tempted, bro, to get like a 12 pack of beans or whatever, like just a big pallet of them and just bring it to him, but I didn't do it. You need a haircut. That's crazy for you to come into my stream and say that. I definitely do not need a haircut. I got a trim like literally last week. My hair looks fresh. I just have longer hair, bro. That's crazy. Get out my stream saying that. Can I give you a cut? Bro, Mark, I've seen your trim, bro. You got the classic Greek teenager trim. The classic trim. Hotel pancake machine. Bro, I've seen these, Mia. I've seen these. By the way, how are you? But, yeah, this shit. I'm pretty sure. It's like a conveyor belt one. Yeah. Bro, that's pretty cool. Oh no, chat, we're dropping frames. Chat, I've been Matrix attacked again. Wait. Okay. It's gonna do the thing again. It's gonna come back. Watch this. See? Now we're back, bro. It's like the daily fucking frame drop off, bro. I literally watch my OBS in the corner go from like 0 kilobytes per second all the way back up to 20k kilobytes per second, then back down to 10k. Bro, that's crazy. Caught the 30-minute flip. Gonna have the stream in the background. SG, my go. Alright, let's go, bro. Good shit. That's huge. Yeah, I was looking at that, but I couldn't take it because of the no top wick here. But that's nice, bro. Good shit. Glad you caught it. Chat, are we back though? We should be, right? We should be. Yeah, cool. Okay, it's fine. Nah, bro, trust me, I'm chilling. I like my hair. Hey, Raja, if you're coming into the chat chatting about haircuts, you've got to show us your own cut so that we can judge. It's got to be a level playing field, right? Because now you've judged my cut, but I haven't even seen yours. So you got to show your trim. Otherwise, there's a disparity here. Yeah, what's good, Dion? How you doing, brother? Good morning. Good morning, my friend. Yeah, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Massively appreciate it. Look, we're waiting for this 1 hour close here in 4 minutes. We might just end up closing in the range, which is fine. If so, listen, chat, I'm going to be on for a while today. We understand that we've got a lot of opportunity here. We just need some patience right now. That's literally it. Nothing else matters. Just some patience, and then, yeah, man. Short back and wallop. Bro, have you seen that James Bond video? That guy's like, bro, that made me cry. It's like, wait. Bro, the James Bond chord. It's like short back and blow your fucking head off. It's so funny. It's such British humour, but I found it hilarious, man.
Today I'm going to teach you about one of my favourite guitar chords known as the James Bond chord. Very famous for being in most, if not all, of the James Bond films. And it usually happens after he says one of his infamous lines like, oh, Mr. Goldfinger, yeah, come in. We've got space for you to have a haircut. Come on, sit down here. Fucking joking, dickhead. I'm not really a barber. I'm fucking James Bond. Short back and blow your fucking head off. Twat!
Right, I don't know why that made me laugh so fucking much when I first saw it. Anyway, you just reminded me of that, so I played it. Fuck it. That made me cry when I first saw that. Hey SG, just a trade idea. The 1 hour is going to close bearish. Is it a bad trade if we took sales to head back down for the wick fill? Bro, no, I don't think it is at all. I think we need to make a top wick for the previous 1 hour and the hour before it though, if we're going to do that. Because then the 4 will reflip as well and flip again. Because right now, you've rejected heavily off this area twice, right? You've rejected heavily off the area twice. So I don't really want to take it unless we grab some liquidity from the upside first. Because right now all the liquidity that we've grabbed is from down here. So you'd expect if we're rejecting off here, you know, actually once, twice, 3 times, you'd expect us to push up. But I'd rather have the fucking, yeah, the liquidity from the upside first. But yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea, bro. The wick fill gives you what? It probably gives you like 20? Yeah, 21, 22. It's definitely decent, 100%. Just comb it, we'll be fine. By the way, my hair is a long ponytail. Bro, you can't be coming in here criticizing my hair when you got a ponytail. My hair's just wet, bro. That's all it is, because I just showered this morning. As always. Chat, I feel like yesterday's price action was a bit fucking crazy, I can't lie. What do you guys think? I was looking at it and just like, none of it was, I don't know, I didn't like the look of any of it, to be honest. Absolutely any of it. What's good? Just came to leave a like. Hey, what's good, bro? I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. How are you there? Cataline Gabriel, what's good? I was waiting for the previous hourly to close above, bottom wick and a reflip of the 4 hour just to drive up, but it just rejected. Yeah, that would have been nice. To be honest, like, this next 4 hours is going to tell a big story. The next 4 hours is very, very important here. If you get a 4 hour close up here, then great, right? You know, you're pretty clear to take buys upwards. But if you get it below 23.11, then again you're pretty clear to come downwards. So either way, unless we close just in this range, which is possible, unless we close in that range, we're pretty good to take a position. So it looks like it's not going to be on this 1 hour, but it might be on. Actually, no, I don't know yet. We'll see what this 1 hour does. It's a big rejection there. No top wick as well. Wow. No top wick on the closure. If you could have got a big top wick now and then flipped down, then that might have been good for a position, but we didn't do that, so no trade right now. The next thing you can look for is a 30-minute closure, so we've got 29 minutes till that, obviously. If you can get that closure above 23.18, fine, we'll look to take a position, right? What I've also noticed, chat, is this is something I want to bring to your guys' attention, because I've been looking at this recently. And I might start looking to take trades off of it soon. I need some more data behind it, but essentially every 4 hour candle, okay, you start to pull back about 10 minutes before the close, right? About 10 minutes before the close, so for example, this candle would start to pull back, so we'd start to come up here, and then about 5 minutes before the close, you start to make your initial push. And that's why the 4 hours have been closing without wicks, and they've also been making the pushes just on the close. So potentially we can look at taking positions, like if obviously this is something that's down the line, not yet, but if the data shows that it's profitable and that it works, you can look at the last 5 before the 4 hour and take positions anticipating like a last minute push. So that's what we'll look to do. We'll look to sample size, let's say. We're not there yet, obviously. We've just started to notice this, but if that works, then I think it's going to be a good play. Bro, everyone's face is different, so yeah, short hair looks good on you according to your face shape. Yeah, bro, I'm just joking, bro. It's just a joke. I'm sure your hair looks good as well. Tea or coffee? What do you prefer? Coffee, bro. I don't really drink tea. I only drink coffee just for the energy as well. I don't really drink it for the taste. And sparkling water. Yeah, that's for hydration. Hydration purposes. Yesterday no trade, Monday we got the same trades, so pretty much a breezy week so far. Yeah, bro, that was crazy. Chat, yesterday, I said this already, but on Monday, so many people, I generally had 4 different people DM me and say they took the exact same 2 trades. And those people weren't even in the signals group, I don't think, or a couple of them weren't. So weird how that works, but yeah, literally like the exact same trades, same closures as well. England is my favourite cricket team. Hopefully tomorrow they'll win. Yeah, I haven't actually been following the cricket, to be honest, but I hope so. Can we see playback? What do you mean playback? What do you mean, Mr. Victory settings? The trades I took. Yeah. We can do that for sure. If I can find them, bro. Nah, but yeah. Oh yeah, I know exactly what I took. Okay, so what did we take? Let me find where my level was. I think it was here. No, okay. So sorry, my initial level was here. Was it? It was somewhere like this, right? My initial level was, yeah, sorry, it was based off of this candle here. So yeah, so what we first took was we took buys right here after a bottom wick. So this was on Monday, chat, just for reference. But yeah, on Monday we took buys based off of this candle here. My stops were actually 21 pips below the range here. We were actually targeting up here as well, so it was a pretty fucking good play. It was a 2-to-1 RR play. Talk to me about that. Mr. Risk to Reward over here. But anyway, yeah, we just so happened to sweep the lows, and we got stopped out for. Actually, I moved the stops down a little bit to try and give us some room, but it just swept them by about 2 pips, right? So yeah, we got stopped out on that one. 25 pips, and then on the next closure we ended up taking this position here. We actually got in on a stack position, so I had a position based off of the flip, which was it was actually off the rip, I think. Anyway, either way, so I had a position here, and then I also had a position on the wick, and we got a pretty good wick entry like there. And then what we did was when the price was looking a bit weird, right? We came up with no top wick or something to the break even point. So I closed the top entry here at break even. So like essentially, yeah, the flip entry we closed at break even, and then the wick entry we let run, and we let it run for literally 24 pips, recovered back our exact loss, and then we called it a day. That was pretty much it. But they were both clean trades. It was just that, you know, we just so happened to sweep the lows first before we pushed up. If we didn't, it would have been a pretty W day, but yeah, man, it is what it is. But yeah, it was a good trade. Both of them. So I'm happy with the loss as well. That was actually our first loss in like God knows how long. But the good thing was it was a loss that was a valid loss, you know. I was happy to take it. I did not mind that at all. So yeah, we move on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it was like 12, 13 trades. Yeah, man. Not bad. Cover the loss money-wise or pip-wise, both. It's the same thing, right? Actually, no, it's not. If you had different lot sizes, then yeah, I guess. But no, I had the same lot size, so both. What's good, Dan? How you doing, bro? Going to render it out and yeah. I did take the exact same trade and lost. Second trade, wick entry and stacked on the break of the high. That's crazy, bro. If we can't take the loss, then we never can win. Loss is an important part. Yeah, true. Nah, Mark, because we had I had a little bit of a higher, not higher lot size, but yeah, the lot size ran and it just worked out to be the exact same. So that's why I'm saying that. Good. How are you, mate? Yeah, I'm good, Dan. I'm good. Why did it only take you 8 months for you to get profitable while others struggle for years? I don't want to say it was exactly 8 months. I don't actually know. I'm fucking really bad with times, but it was somewhere around that. 8 months, a year, something like that. I don't know, bro. I've just always been a fast learner, like, and I also just, whenever I do anything, I just work really fucking hard on it. Like, I wasn't gonna just stop, so I just was literally locked in the whole time. Issue was we swept the lows 2 times. That's why we got tricked. Yeah, it's just sometimes it happens, but I mean, I didn't expect it to happen, to be honest, on Monday. I don't think it really should have, but it just was what happened to play out, so not much you can do, right? But yeah. Still struggle after 1.5, but it's okay. Yeah, 1.5 is not long either, bro. Chat, like, it doesn't matter how long it takes, really. And also, you have to understand that before that, I was trading crypto and futures for like 2.5 years. Yeah. Unprofitably as well. So it wasn't like it was the first trading experience I ever got. You know, I had time in the markets and time losing money trading as well. Just in Forex, that's what happened. Cool. Damage G, current 1 hour played out, but the no top wick classic, it is what it is. Bro, it's classic. Yeah, it's a classic play, but it's the no top wick special, right? But yeah, chat, we got 19 minutes here till this 30-minute close. We have 49 minutes to the 4-hour close. That's the most important thing right now. The 4-hour close is going to be instrumental, in my opinion. It's going to be very, very important. Hopefully the volume can start to pick up. If we can get a closure, realistically, what I prefer right now is that closure below 2311.6. The moment you close below there, you are good to come down. I'd even take a wick entry off that, because you've tested the area twice. If you then come down and close below it, you're sort of, you know, it's a strong confirmation. and then you're looking for a little bit of liquidity to be grabbed to the upside, and you should see 2306.8 get tapped. I would say that on the dot we will tap that, at least. That's my prediction for today. Not that I like predicting the market, but look, it's the weekly wick fill, it's a daily wick, like area of rejection as well. You've tapped into this level, look here again. It's just an area that we tap into multiple times. I think we need to tap into there, to be honest. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking for. But obviously it might just close in the range, or it might close in favor of buys. And if it does, we can still look to take some positions within the range, right? We can still look to take an onion play or whatever forms, but until it makes these closures, but there's not much we can't really decide, you know. We can't figure it out. We need the confirmations. What's good, Raze? How you doing, brother? We live. What's good? What's good? What's good? Oh, got my neck. My neck is stiff as fuck, chat. I trade from 2 years and win rate this year is 90%. God has chosen us for trading. Good shit, man. That's good. 90% is huge. It's a good win rate. Now the goal is to try and get the I don't want to say the risk to reward, but kind of, right? Try and hold some trades for a little bit longer, maybe. What I realized though, chat, is like we don't have like that negative of an RR. We sit around like 0.5 to, I would say, between like 0.3 and 0.7 to 1 RR. And with a 92% win rate, anything over a 0.1 RR is profitable, right? You have to think about it, it's just a mass game. This is why I don't really understand the argument of like RR traders and all that shit. Like you must trade positive RR and all that shit. Because if you think about this, it's all just a combination of you have to have your win rate, you have to have your RR, and that's about it actually. Well, risk management too, but in this calculation it's not the same, right? So like if you think about it, yes, we could have a 5 to 1 RR. Sure, but if our win rate was only, I don't know, 10%, that's still unprofitable, right? And a lot of these RR traders do have win rates like that, so it makes no sense. Yes, 2 to 1 RR now, like you need at least a 50%, sorry, no, 25%, is it? What's the calculation for that one? Or is it 33%? Either way, I'm not doing the maths in my head right now. It's too early. But 1 to 1 RR, you need above a 50% win rate, right? So you need a 51% win rate to be profitable. So anything below there is not good. But now, if you see you have like a 0.1 RR, a 90% win rate. Well, let's do a 0.2 RR. 90% win rate. It's profitable. It's just basic maths. Right, so why does it matter which one of these you have? I couldn't care less, personally. I could not care less. It turns out that our average RR is around like 0.4, I think, something like that. 0.4 to 0.7 RR. But still, like, even if it was 0.1, you can still be profitable that way. So essentially, at the end of the day, it's just about how you trade. Morning, G. Let's get a win this morning. What's good, Vincent? How you doing, bro? Hey, man, new here. What strategy do you use? Welcome, bro. Welcome. We trade support and resistance, trade breakouts, price action too. It's just a little strategy that we've sort of not created, but like adapted over time. Yeah, it does change depending on your partials, Mark. Well, actually, it's interesting because if you watch like an ICT trader, you'll see that like they do close part, or not specifically ICT, but let's just say I'm gonna just generalize and call them an RR trader, right? You'll see that they do take partials, but then they'll still say if it hit full TP that it was a 5-to-1 RR or whatever, when actually it wasn't, you know. And that's why I think a lot of them are unprofitable, because they think that, you know. But chat, in the new journal, you're gonna have to calculate your risk to reward based off of how many pips you actually collected, rather than based off of what your take profit was or anything like that. Chat, lots of potential here though, man. We're coming up to this 30-minute close. The 15-minute closed strongly bearish. The reason why we can't take anything here is twofold, okay? The 30-minute previously had no top wick, and this current 30 and 1 hour has no top wick as well. Secondly, we've rejected here many times, right? You don't want to be taking trades at a rejection area. Yeah, that's basically it. What are you training today? I need to take a rest day. I was meant to take one yesterday, but I didn't. I ended up training chest yesterday. But I can't take rest days, chat. It's so weird. If I do, I feel like shit, to be honest. Classic gym bro move. Yeah, it actually is. Like, yeah, you meant to take a rest day, end up training chest. It's classic. I'll go gym next month, like after 1 year. What does that mean, bro? Go to the gym this month. Yeah. Neo, I was gonna say that shit. Why next month? Why not now? Chat, I'm interested to see. Wait, let me run a poll, actually. That's a good point. I want honest answers here, though. I'm gonna... Yeah, actually. How many options can I add here? Uh, 4 to 5 times per week. Okay, cool. Start poll. Yeah, go answer this poll, right? I want to see. As a trader, do you work out frequently? Yes, 4 to 5 times a week. Yes, 7 days a week. Yes, 1 to 3 times a week. Or no. Be honest as well. If you don't work out, it's not a problem. I genuinely am curious about like the statistics surrounding that. Today's 26th, and from 1st of July, I'll pay my membership for 3 months together. Okay, fair enough, bro. Depends which cycle. What does that mean? Once in a blue moon option, please. I feel you. I feel you. Chat, I've got a statistic for you, okay? I'm gonna make a video on this, but out of wait, let me actually find it so I don't misquote it. But this statistic kind of blew my mind a little bit. Not blew my mind, but I didn't expect it. Alright, so chat, you know what the Fortune 500 is, right? Fortune 500, top 500 companies. Is it in the world or in America? Yeah, in the US. Okay, it's fine. Oh yeah, and the global 500 is global, obviously. Out of 500 companies, right? Guess how many of the CEOs work out from five times a week? Guess. I want a number, like out of 500. I don't know the percentage. I can work it out, but how many of them work out 5 times a week? How many do you think? 12%, 400, 460, 450. See, it's a very, you lot could just Google this, but 69, classic, 500, 400. So some of you think it's really high, some of you think it's low. But the answer is, bro, 485 of them work out at least 5 times a week. This is a Fortune 500, so these are the top 500 most influential and probably the most wealthy CEOs, not on the planet, but at least in the United States. 485 of them work out 5 times a week. That cannot be a coincidence at all. That can't be a coincidence. That shows you a pattern. That shows you the benefits of doing that. That's crazy, but look at Elon and Zuck. They don't, right? Zuckerberg does. He does jiu-jitsu like 5 times a week. I'm not saying like, this doesn't mean being in the gym pumping fucking bench press or whatever. It could include like running, fucking whatever. You know, jiu-jitsu, boxing, all that shit. Tennis, I guess. Just some form of like, you know, workout, physical activity. But yeah, Elon, I suppose, is an exception. Bill Gates never went to the gym. Yeah, that's true. Have you seen Bill Gates though? Do you want to look like this geezer? Not really, right? Bill Gates is also putting mosquitoes into the environment, like genetically modified mosquitoes. This guy's a criminal. But anyway, that's a topic for another day. Oh yeah, chat, do we have news today? That's a good question. I didn't check. That's the one day that I haven't checked in the morning. Yeah, so we have new home sales at 3 o'clock. That's not really that important, to be honest. A lot of hedge funds in the States have a gym in them. Most traders will train before work. Bro, my office had a gym in it. My old office had a gym in it. Most big companies now have gyms and restaurants in their offices. I've got a friend who was a lawyer at a big firm, a US firm, but the office was in London, and they had like a full fucking restaurant style thing there. They had like sleeping quarters, everything. It's crazy. We did flip, Mark. We did. Chat, 3 minutes to this 30-minute close. Let's see what happens here. Elon is active in what he does. He's exempt. Yeah, bro, to be fair, he is proper active. I did gym with Raja Banks. Crazy, bro. Crazy. They have the time, they just pay others to do work and take the responsibility when things F up most of the time. Now, that's not true, bro. The CEO takes the responsibility for everything. And, like, CEO is also different to the founder or owner, right? But the point is, if Tesla went and did some crazy things, or fucking SpaceX crashed a rocket into a city, no one would be mad at the people who built the rocket. They'd be mad at Elon Musk. It's just, you know, it is what it is. But, I mean, he also gets the reward from it then. That's like to and fro, right? Just finished the leg day. Let's go, Dan. Good shit, man. My neck is so stiff. How was your leg day? Can I ask you, Trem, what's the difference between ICT and SMC? Bro, I've got no clue. I've traded neither of those strategies, so you would have to ask someone who trades both, I guess. You'd have to ask someone who understands both strategies. Otherwise, I'm not your man. I don't really understand either of them. Chat, can we close above 23.18 on the next 30-minute candle here in about 32 minutes? If we can. I think we're chilling right now for some buys. But let's see. There's definitely potential. But yeah, chat. Cool. So, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you all very, very much. The music just died off. I know, it's just skipping songs. Yeah, man, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you all very, very much. It's been a crazy ride so far. And yeah, man, it really does help us boost the engagement, so it's very important. But the 30-minute chat is coming up to, well, it did flip, right? It's very, very, very interesting. Obviously, nothing that I can take on this 30. We're literally right at the level where we need to take, or where we're looking at a rejection area. So we have to wait for a closure above that area first. But this 30 could lead to that potentially. Let's see, man. Let's see. Gym and trading go together. For some reason, it just makes you a better trader. It does, bro. It really, really does. Like, I'm not even just saying that. It does make you a better trader. And I can tell you why, too. There's a lot of reasons why, but... first one, yeah, it clears your mind. It allows you to think about something else other than trading, which is good in like, once in a while. Secondly, it gives you an output to release any frustration or... any pent-up energy that you have, or whatever it is, right? Thirdly, bro, you get some time off the charts, and that's like that's very important, because it's gonna stop you from over trading, especially if you go to the gym. Like, I know a lot of people in chat do the same as me here, but and I guess it's not possible if you work a 9 to 5, so I suppose like it's very situationally based. But for me, we trade London. I'll go to the gym in between London and New York, so I'm not just sat on the chart waiting, and then by the time New York comes, I could have either FOMO'd into a trade, or I'm getting frustrated, you know, because nothing's forming. If I'm not on the charts, I don't have to worry about that. I'm not watching candles. I'm not frustrated. There's no, you know, there's no issues. But yeah, that's what I'd say. Also, the final thing is it gives you that discipline, right? It literally teaches you discipline. If you can go to the gym every day, or 5 times a week, or 6 times a week, or whatever it is, and then yeah, stay locked in and like train even when you don't want to and all that stuff, you're gonna naturally build your discipline. And discipline is not something that's just applied in one realm of your life. If you've got discipline in one aspect, you have it in the other, right? Maybe you're not applying it, but you do have that discipline, right? So you can apply that to whatever you want. Yeah, how you, bro? I've been on your stream all the day, all the way till done, because today is my day off. I mean, never off, because I'm still trading in gym. But yeah, good shit, FNAM. Good stuff, man. That's huge. Enjoy your day off work. That's very important. But yeah, man, there is some facts right there if you wanted to, if you guys actually want to understand why. Chat, I think we might have a video. We might have a video out today. I think we do actually. I'll tell chat. Yeah. But cool. So yeah, my editor just messaged me, and he was like, "Yeah, it's ready, I think." So after this, I'll go review it, and then yeah, man, we'll jump on. You guys can potentially, hopefully, I don't want to promise you, but it should be out today, the castle video. So that's gonna be it's gonna be a long ass video, the chat. You guys gotta watch the whole thing, otherwise my retention rate is not gonna do very well, and the video is gonna get fucking flopped. But it's gonna be basically me pulling up to this castle, and then basically an hour-long podcast. Perfect. Yeah, chat. So it will be up today. Great. Nice. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I mean, I'm back to the gym this year and find out it really helps with my trading, even after a win or a loss. Just put my phone on Do Not Disturb and gym the fuck out of my mind. Yeah, bro. Very, very true. Very true. Yeah, Michael, did you ask me a golf question earlier? I feel like you did, and I didn't see it. I feel like you asked me something. There's a couple of things I want to do with you guys, chat. So I want to do like a gym meetup. So we'll go to like probably my gym. You can all pull up, and then we'll do like a big session together. We'll like shut down the gym, so we'll do it when it's closed or something, and we'll, you know, I'll get Jan to give me the keys. Well, Jan will be there, so I'll get Jan to unlock the gym for us. We'll do some crazy, like, I don't know, fucking challenges for funded accounts or something like that. Then we could do a golf trip too. That'd be crazy. Yeah, bro, aren't you going to golf? You asked your mate, didn't you? I played the other day. Actually, I say the other day, it was like a month or so ago. But I haven't played recently. I've just been too busy, to be honest. We run it. Yes, sir. That fucking, bro, that gym meetup would be crazy. I can't lie. Wish I could be there, but SA is a bit far. Bro, I'll be in South Africa at some point. We'll do something there. I'll definitely be in South Africa at some point, bro. I need to check out Cape Town. I have to. Played golf yesterday. What's good, SCXT? Bro, I haven't seen you in a while, man. How you doing? How was your golf game as well? Or round, let's say. But yeah, man, I definitely have to go to Cape Town or South Africa soon. I'm trying to get Jan to take me, but he's not. He's not doing it. This guy's too busy for me. Jan, bro, October. Why don't we just take a trip to Cape Town and see what it's like? We'll go on the That specific airline we were speaking of. Be cheap as chips. Had pneumonia for 2 to 3 weeks, so I was just resting. Oh shit, bro. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully you're better now, though. Pneumonia is tough. Chat, look at how we're rejecting off this level right now. So, you see that we're on the 30-minute. We grabbed the top wick. We tapped into this level perfectly. Then we started to reject. If we can come and close strongly bearish, ideally bearish on the 1 hour too, right? You could look to take some sells to come down and tap the bottom of the range. Or, what we'll see is something like this, right? And we'll flip and we'll close above. So, yeah, man, we'll wait and see, but there's definitely some potential here, chat. It's not time to dip off. It's time to lock it in a little bit. SA is a little colder in these months. Oh yeah, you've got Chicago in November. That's true. That is true. Nerd. Nah, I'm playing. Bro, when you say Cape Town or South Africa is colder from October to November, bro, it's 25 degrees. That's not cold. It may be cold for you guys, but I'm from the UK, so that's yeah, man. Chilling for me. $25 is stunning, yeah, bro. Trust me. They lying. It's not cold for UK. Yeah, bro. The UK has shut down recently because it hit 28 degrees yesterday, and everyone's like basically acting as if it's fucking doomsday, including me, bro. Like, we just do not have the infrastructure to handle heat in the UK. It's crazy. It's a proper muggy heat. Yeah, bro, it is fucking disgusting though. You're right. Like every English person says this, but they say like it's a different heat when you go to a different country, and it's actually true, bro. Like English heat feels like, I don't know, bro. It just doesn't feel good. Because it's full of concrete and shit here. It's literally like I don't know, an oven, I guess. Jay, while you can, it'll be raining next week. Yeah, true. Not very, very true. That's the other thing British people love to do is like when it's raining and shit weather, they'll complain about how shit the weather is, and then when it gets sunny, they'll complain about how it's too hot. It's so funny. I listen to people do it all the time. It's hilarious. Yeah, we have 19 minutes to this. This 4-hour close here. This is an important 4-hour close. Realistically, as long as we close respecting this area, I suppose we can take some buys to come up. 23.16. Because you should expect to push up here, especially with all the liquidity we've grabbed. It's just struggling a little bit. Have an idea. All the trades taken by chat in the next quarter, we save 10% and then we choose a holiday party country to lose our minds for a week. Bro, that's a good idea in theory. Cool. Yeah, what's good, Green? How you doing, brother? What's good? Bro, that's a sick idea there. I'd love to do that, man. A little trip away. Bro, did you see the Bugatti Tourbillon? Bro, I did see that, I can't lie. Yeah, you can ask a question, Taxi, yeah, bro. You don't have to ask a question, bro. You can just ask it. What's good, Tyler? How you doing, brother? Yo, chat. The Bugatti Tourbillon was crazy. I feel like I haven't been focused on trading enough this stream, and that's why the viewers are dropped. But who cares, man? We're having a good conversation. And to be honest, the market's not really doing anything right now. Do you know if dropshipping is legal? Of course it is, bro. What? Yeah, of course it is. I don't know about where you live, like whether it is in Cyprus or whatever, but not Cyprus, Athens, bro. But or Greece or whatever. But yeah, it should be. Bro, yeah, the Bugatti Tourbillon is crazy, I can't lie. But because I can't afford it, I'm going to tell you guys it's mid. Yeah, that's average, bro. It's just, yeah, that's a mid car. You guys seen the steering wheel though, like how it moves and shit? That is kind of crazy. The back looks sick. Wait, let me see. Where's the back of it, bro? Oh yeah, that's crazy. No, that is fire. Bro, I love the interior too. They make it so simple. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's got, yeah, it's got electric wheels. It's got electric motors on every single wheel and a fucking V16. Shit's crazy. Actually, low-key already pre-ordered one, bro. I wish, man. Yeah, that's a crazy car. Of course, the Shmee guy has it. Guy's everywhere. Wait, does he show the wheel moving? Oh yeah, look, wait. Bro, look, so the fucking interior cluster doesn't move, but the wheel does. So insane. So insane. Speedometer goes up to 550. Yeah, that's fucked. What's the acceleration? Bro, is it quicker than the Tesla Roadster? Acceleration-wise? I don't think it is. I know it is top speed, obviously, but... Check Citroen C4 steering wheel. I know, bro. I have seen that. I've seen that too. Yeah, I saw that shit. The Citroen one. Yeah, I know. I don't want to show you guys it. It's going to ruin the aesthetics of the Bugatti for you, but still. 3.2 mil though, you know. $3.2 milli. Light work. Join the signals and you get a guaranteed Bugatti Tourbillon. Deal. For legal reasons, that was a joke. In case I get sued. But yeah, man, cool. Chat, we got 15 minutes here. 13 minutes, sorry. So, as we said, right, let's look back in a little bit. I want to talk about trading now so that people don't get bored. But Yeah, man, we need a closure above 23.18 realistically for buys on the 4-hour. It's a pretty clean level, to be honest. However, we could also look at taking something above 23.16.9 if the closure's like decent enough. Wait, hang on, actually, let me check. That level is clean though. Yeah, man, I'm actually gonna say that we need a closure above. So essentially, if the 4-hour can close bullish, that's what we'll look for. 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. Yeah, no, that's quick, bro. Tesla Roadster does it in 1.9, I think. Anyway, yeah. So we need a closure above there on the 4-hour. Now, for sells on the 4, obviously we're very far away from that, but anything's possible. We know that with gold, right? Anything below this 23.11.2 area for this 4-hour close would be ideal for sells. However, with the 4-hour looking the way it is, with these rejections that we have, look at the amount of wicks that we've grabbed here. It's just next level. It's insane. Now, we've done this before though, chat. We've done this before, and you start to reject over and over again, and you struggle and you struggle, and then eventually when you do push, it pushes hard. So either way, we need to make sure we get the direction right. Once we get that though, should be good to go, man. Should be good to go. Bro, there's bulls sitting at 23.13, so it's most probably bullish. I don't know what that means, bro. Bulls sitting at there. Orders or what? Let's see though, chat. 10 minutes. Sounds mad sus. What sounds sus? What are you chatting about, Remy? It's fire pick, gang, I can't lie. Let me show this to chat. Can't beat that, you know. Sounds like a good start to the day. Not sure about the iced coffee, but yeah, we move. Nice little fucking. I like it. Nice little garden area in nature. Yeah, if the 4 can close like this, that'd be ideal, bro. If we can close like that, I might be looking at taking buys off the rip, to be honest. Hopefully it doesn't drive here though. Like we said in the last 5 minutes, right, or the last 10 minutes, this is where we said we'll see a potential push. Yeah, so you gotta be careful here. Yeah, man. Again, we've seen this before, right? We've seen the 5 push, no bottom wick, and just drive. So you just need to be careful here. Don't FOMO into anything here, expecting that it's going to push. But if it does start to push without us, then you know we need to be a little bit cautious. But it's looking good, chat. There's definitely potential. So we've got 8 minutes here. It's time to lock it in. Focus on this 4-hour close coming in 8 minutes. Yeah, strong rejection there, you see? If you FOMO'd in there, you'd be now being like, fuck, why did I do that? We're gonna close with no wick. Ah, you mean the London session special, bro? Close with no wick and then push without a wick as well. That's a classic play. London session absolutely loves that, but we'll see, man. We shall see. Dodge Challenger Demon 170 has a 0-60 and 1.66. That's fucking crazy. Then you see if it gets to be closed, then it gets to be, and you don't because you think it might go up, and then it hits stop loss. Nah, bro. If you say you do something, then you do it, right? No matter what. If you tell yourself you're gonna do something, you have to do it. Otherwise, you're teaching yourself that you don't trust your own word. And your word is your bond, right? Yeah, Matt. I mean, if you break the plan, you keep breaking it, so don't randomly enter. Yeah, 100%. It's also just like, it's very simple. You can just change it around. Let's say that you were talking to someone over and over again, and every day they told you they were going to do something, and then they didn't, right? Let's say that someone, I don't know, said they were going to come around and, I don't know, fucking, or come train at the gym with you, right? Let's say that someone said they were going to come train at the gym with you. And every single day they were like, yeah, I'm coming tomorrow, bro, don't worry, I'm gonna come. And then the morning came and they didn't, right? You'd stop trusting that person, and you'd start to think, nah, every time they say it, I don't believe them. And the same happens with yourself, right? If you say you're gonna do something and then you don't, and that starts happening over and over, now your brain doesn't even trust it, like, itself. If you say, yeah, I'm gonna get out of bed at 7 tomorrow, and then you don't, and you say it again the next morning, and then you don't, and then you just don't do it, now your brain automatically knows, okay, no matter what I say, it doesn't matter, because I'm still going to do whatever I want to do at that point. So you got to start, like, training. Just think about yourself as another person. You got to make yourself a trustworthy person to yourself. Okay, chat, so this is interesting now, because on the 4 hour here, I think we have room all the way up until 2320.0. On the 1, that's a decent level 2. I'd probably drop that down a little bit. On the 1 hour. Every time we close here on the 1, what do? We push up. We push up. Let's look to the side. We pushed up to 2320 this time. What else on the 1 every time we close here? Let me see. This time we pushed further up. This time we pushed up to 2321. This time again and again. So every single time we close here, we push up. This time we didn't, but we ended up closing and pushing up anyway, so that's okay. Same again here. Okay, fine, chat. So we can close here in about 4 minutes time. If we can close somewhere in this level, I'll look to take some positions. Now, let me open this brokerage. To be honest, off the rip is very possible here. Is it going to open or not? Off the rip is very possible here, especially because of the amount of liquidity that we've grabbed, right? I'm very, very okay with taking that due to the fact that we've grabbed so much liquidity. I think we should be good to push up to at least... How much? I mean, we need to close above first. That's the most important part. If we don't close above, then it might be game over, but I think we should be okay. We should be okay. Stops are quite large. I'm not going to lie to you, chat. It's going to be 75 pip stops. I can't really use the 1 hour. I can't lie. What's the thought on the off the rip play? The thought is that we've grabbed liquidity twice from this area, right? So why would you need to come down again and grab more liquidity? It doesn't really make much sense to me. I mean, you can do, and that's still valid. But for me, yeah, man, I don't know why you'd need to do that. So what I'm going to say is that we'll wait and see here. I also want to see what it's doing at the time where it's closing, right? If it's pushing upwards on the time it's closing, then you can expect the momentum to continue up like that, right? But if it's coming down, if we have a little bit of a pullback on the closure, then you might expect a bottom wick after the open. But obviously, again, all of this requires us to close above, and if we don't close above, then I mean that's the plan fucked, right? That's the plan pretty much fucked if we don't close above. Again, chat, our entire destiny is depending on 2 1-minute candles here. Whatever these next 2 1-minute candles do depends on whether we'll get a trade right now or not. It's crazy. But yeah, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Really appreciate it. Let's try to get to 75 likes if we can. Recently we've been hitting like 130, 150. It's kind of crazy. Massively appreciate all your support. But yeah, man, let's try pump it up. It really does help boost the numbers. And as I said, we're trying to get like as much value for free to as many people as we possibly can. And you guys are really helping me do that. Taking a break from work to trade low. Yeah, good shit. That's good. That's glad to hear. Good to hear, sorry. Other option is, chat, if we grab a top wick on the next candle, we could potentially grab some sells to close. If we close below here, that is. We can grab some sells to come down and fill some of this range. Just don't like the fact that we've rejected numerous times here, you know? Like, to be fair, you can fill the range here. Yeah, it is possible for us to fill this range. "30 seconds, chat." Obviously, you'd need a bottom wick and everything on this candle. See what happens here, though, chat. Let's see. 30-minute candle closes no bottom wick, then it might be game over. But I'll stay on for a bit longer because there's potential, right, for the rest of the day. Okay, chat, so we can push up a little bit higher. We can push up to 2316.9. We'll look at taking potentially a wick entry on sells here. Okay, lock it in, chat. Let's see. So right now I'm looking to see if we can come up and tap the level. If we can, then great. We'll take a wick entry. If not, it might have to be on the flip. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Chat, I'm going to get a sell right here off this wick entry here. Now the stops are going to be up above the previous 4-hour candle right now. So that's going to be up at 2321.8. Reason for that is I believe we could still break that 4-hour high and be okay to come back down. So I just got into sells here on a wick entry position. We actually got a decent entry here, hopefully. Yeah, so take profit is going to be down here at the bottom of this range, 23.12. Yeah, 23.12. And stop loss is going to be up here at the break of this previous 4-hour high at 2321.9. Expecting that this candle should make a bottom wick at some point. The flip is your break-even point. Once you do make that bottom wick, I know it's not too many pips, but that is your advantage point. Essentially, we're looking for this candle to create that bottom wick, and so once it does, you know, you should be good. You shouldn't come up really and re-break that high. So that's our advantage point. And yeah, man, that's what the trade that we just got in. So we'll see how this plays out. Stops are at 23.22, let's say, and take profit down here at 23.12. So we came in and tapped that zone right now. Chat, this 4 at some point should make a bottom wick, right? You would expect that if it was going to just push up right now, you'd expect it to create a bottom wick. So that's our advantage point. And listen, chat, if this trade hit stops, it's not going to make us, it's not going to break us, right? So understand that we're risking appropriately. Make sure that if you do take the trade, you understand it and you do manage your risk appropriately. If we take the win, then great, you guys get to keep the glory. But if we take the loss, unfortunately as well, you have to take the responsibility for that yourselves. But yeah, man, let's see what we can do here. See if we can start to reject off this level. And yeah. Break-even point should give us about 8 or 9 pips, I believe, which is great. Starting to reject here. Can we flip now? Okay, good. Nearly flipped there. We didn't quite flip, so not break even just yet, but if we can flip now, that'd be ideal. And just flips there, nearly on the trading view, but not on my broker. It's nowhere near the flip yet. So let's see. Can we have a bit of a strong rejection here? Start to flip and yeah, come down here. Let's see, man. See what we can do. That's a strong rejection there. That's nice to see. Unless this one decides to flip. Let's see what we do here, chat. Are you in? Yeah, we got a wick entry on the sells right here. Let's see what happens, chat. So, understand also, we're literally 5 minutes into this 4-hour candle. Alright, so, you know, you've got a lot of time here. You should make a bottom wick before pushing up. That's all I'm trying to say. And if we don't, then so be it. So be it. Next 5 opened up, no top wick. That's great. It's a good sign for us. Chat, I'll be back in 2 seconds, yeah. Literally 2 secs. What? Yo, we out here, man. We out here. We didn't hit TP yet, eh? Ah, fuck. Not playing. Alright, man. Cool. Chat, let's see what happens. Let me actually put my stops in and take profit in, just so that... Oh, my stops are already in. Put my take profit on. Just so that we can... have that ready. There you go. Perfect. Let me see a push here, chat, please. The 5 minute did start to flip, right? You'll see that the 5 minute flipped here. It already did that once, and then it sort of started to reject. You can get a closure bearish on the 5, that would be great. Sort of form a lower time frame onion play. Obviously, depending on whether or not it wants to do that. And the trade's based off of the 4 hour and the 1, so the 5 minute doesn't really matter too much. But it's just looking at these lower time frame indicators to see if we can push here. Are you in? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we are. Can we flip, please? Volume's picking up, which is good. Obviously, we need some volume for the push. I would like to see this 5 close bearish, like we said, hopefully to lead us to continue downwards. But right now, chat, we just need to see what price wants to do, man. We should grab a bottom wick at some point. It's just whether it's now or whether it needs to come up further, you know? That's the question that we have right now. Go full TP, what does that mean? I can't choose. Oh, you're telling price to go there. And yeah. Do people not look at the screen? I know, bro, I know. Chat, we have like a decent level here, to be honest, that we're starting to form some rejections off of, which is great. So if we can start to continue that, we'll be looking good. 5 minute closed bearish, which is great. Next 5 open with a top wick. See what happens, man. Hopefully it can lead down to this flip. Flip's going to give us 8 pips, so we'll be break even on the flip probably, but we probably won't close anything at that point yet. I'm hoping the flip will just lead to some more volume and then push us down. Raj just took a shower. I'm sorry, I thought it was a self stop. Nah, bro, don't worry about it. It's not. He's not saying that about you. It's just like a lot of people asked, and yeah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. It's kind of cool how I just do not have emotions anymore while in a trade. Yeah, I know, bro. That's where you need to get to. That's the key right there. That's the key. Chat, realistically, the only thing we could have done was probably waited until we tapped into 2316.9, 2317. But the reason why we took it at this point here is because we started to reject, and I saw this rejection and I thought that was it, that was enough, you know. Either way, the advantage point is the advantage point. Got some volume coming in here though. Also, for a wick entry, stops are decent, man. Stops are decent. I own a sell. Yeah, wick entry. We're in a little bit of drawdown right now. About, I don't know how many pips. 4 pips, something like that. Yeah, 4 pips. The entry's still valid, so if you didn't take it and you want to get in, then you're more than welcome to, alright? It's obviously up to you. It's your trade at that point, but, yeah, man. Still valid for me. every time you tap into this area, you do come down and fill the range, right? Every single time. So that's essentially what we're planning on here. We're planning on filling this range, or at least coming down to 2313.6. That's what we're counting on. Obviously, gold doesn't have to do that. It's done it in the past every time, but that doesn't mean it will do it this time, right? It's not a guaranteed dead cert. Never is. You know, we can start to push up here, and that could be what it wants to do. But I do believe the 4 hour should give itself a wick first. Even just a small wick, right? Even something tiny. You have to remember also, right? If we end up taking a loss here, it shouldn't make or break you, right? Even if I take a loss right now, we're still gonna end. What's our stop loss? Stop loss is 50 pips, right? We're still gonna end the month 110 pips up. Well, we won't end the month. We'll still be trading, but we'll still be 110 pips up for the month. So, you know, it's not as if anything crazy would have happened or anything like that. You know, it's just a simple trade, right? We manage risk appropriately. We understand that in a position like this, anything can happen. Gold can start to react differently, but we should come down and make that bottom wick. And as long as you stick to your plan, then you're all good, man. You're all good. This 5 can flip, though. That'd be really nice. That'd be huge. You only lose if you didn't manage your risk. Yeah, 100%, man. If you didn't follow your plan or manage your risk, that's when you lose. You're right. You're very, very right. Volume just died. It's crazy. Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it's pushing. It's just there's no direction. It's not that there's no volume, really. It's just there's no direction. Chat, crazy, though. We saw a strong rejection off this level here on the 5, right? We literally just saw it come from being all the way up here to closing respecting in the last second, so that's a good indicator for us there. $15 closed respecting as well, yeah. It did. Even closed respecting this minor level here. And again, right, you have no bottom wick. Chat, you guys know what I'm doing, right? You know exactly what I'm doing right here. I've got in a position that I knew would take ages, so I can view bot you all. Classic view bait in here. Nah, I'm playing. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. Drop a like. Give us some luck on this trade right now. Not that we need luck, but you know what I mean. Give us some positive vibes, some good luck to let this trade hit TP. And yeah, man, it's just we understand how finally a chill drawdown stream. I know, bro. To be fair, we're only in fucking 10 pips a drawdown, but oh, not even 6 pips a drawdown. My bad. But yeah, I would hope it would be chill at 6 pips. This level here is quite strong, chat. So I mean, it's testing it 100%. You might see a pop up after it, but you should be able to see it still come down and yeah, close in the range. Bro, can we sell now? I'm already in a sell, my boys. So if you want to take a sell, feel free. But I'm already in mine. Want to play Rocket League together sometime, bro? Yeah, I'm down, but I have to try and fit it in my schedule somehow. But yeah, I'm definitely down, bro. With you and Mark, eh? Just play some threes. I can play, what rank are you? What rank are you, G? Chat, if you do want to get funded, make sure you go to, yeah, Funded Trading Plus or ACG and use code SG. You get 20% off on both of those there. It's very important. Save yourself some money. Diamond 1. Okay, chill. That's chill. That's chill. I can play with you then. Alright. See what we do here, chat. Volume's just dead at the minute. We're gonna have to wait for it to pick back up, but yeah, man. Need a bottom wick here. Oh, there it goes. Big spike in the volume there. So we're creating like higher highs here, chat, which is probably not a good sign, but at the same time, you'd expect at some point that we come down and grab some wicks. We didn't get the best entry either, but again, same thing applies, right? The reason why we took eurjpy, why not stop above that other wick? If you look on the left on the 4 hour, it can go to around that point. What do you think? I didn't want to make stops massive, to be honest, bro. That's the main reason. Yeah, I suppose it can go up to 23, you're right. I actually didn't spot this wick there, so good spot, bro. Let's see, though. If we start to come up without making any structure, then yeah, we can potentially push the stops up a little bit. It's only 20 pips, but that would make the trade more valid. That would make the stops more valid, to be honest. Right now, they're... Sorry, I just need to adjust this. They're right here, 23, 22. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna chill for a bit in your drawdown stream and then go back in the markets. Alright, bro. Okay, what's good volume? How you doing, brother? Chat, look at this, though. You're chilling here right now. If you see on the 5 as well, we've started to, you know, well, we're testing it over and over again, which is probably not the best sign, but we've started to respect this support over and over again. We might have a 5-minute closure above here, which would not be the best. But again, like we said, right, that's not what the trade's based off of. Okay, 5 closed like sort of no top wick. Yeah, it did. 5 closed no top wick above. The next 5 also has no top wick though, so it could flip at any given point. But yeah, can you see a rejection here? 15 flip would be good. Right now, chat, it's just a waiting game. But yeah, if this 5 starts to flip, you might see a little bit more drawdown, I can't lie. Yo, Sam, I'm part of the late club. What's good, Joshua, bro? The late club, my boy. Pineapples now. No pineapples for me, bro. Not yet, at least. I don't like averaging into trades. I don't think it's a good thing to do personally, but... yeah, we'll wait and see, man. Bro's going for second L on stream. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, shit. The 5 did flip there. Wow. Let's see, chat. Let's see what happens, man. Let us see, man. So if you don't see rejections here, right, you should be seeing rejections right now around this area. If we don't see that, then the next area we can start to reject is somewhere around, I would say, let me just find it. Where was it? Yeah, somewhere up here at like 23.19. That'd be the next area where we might reject if we don't reject here. Or 23, yeah, 18. But that's kind of where we just did. Okay, good though. So we did start to reject a little bit here. If 5 can break the lows, it'll be decent. You should get a little bit of a further push. I'm in sales based off the 1 hour not having a bottom wick. Why are you in sales? I'm in sales based off the 1 hour not having a bottom wick, G. Same thing. I'm sure you got a better entry than us, but we move. That's fire though, Joshua. Good shit. Bro came in and was like, I'm in sales based off of exactly why you're in sales. But why are you in sales? Yeah, man. Can we get a take profit, bruv, please? I would like to confirm an assist token for this take profit. Fake out, maybe. Maybe. I would really like a strong bearish 5 closure here. Preferably back into the range on the 5. There's the push we were looking for. So, I mean, we're not out of the woods yet. We're still in a little bit of drawdown chat, right? But the 5 has grabbed some liquidity. The 15's starting to flip potentially. Don't get too excited, right? But yeah, man. Hopefully if we can get some closures like this, it looks good. As long as it flips, I don't care about the outcome. I got activated when it didn't even flip. Bro, trust me, I've had that before. And then, yeah, you're right. You just want to see it actually do the thing that would have activated you. No, I understand you on that one. 100%. 100%. Need this 5 to close bearish, though, personally. Well, not need, but it would be a lot better. PE now, good stuff, man. So yeah, you got like a 4 pip better entry than us, Joshua. You bastard. No, I'm joking, man. Good stuff. That's good, man. That's good. See what happens here, chat, man. So the 5 just closed. Great. What did it do? Bottom wick first? Yeah. Let's see, man. Let's see what happens here. I went full margin. Let's fucking go. I hope you're joking, my G. You probably are, but good shit. What's good, Thomas89, bro? Welcome. My level for buyers above was 17.53.8 and it respected it. Yeah, nice. Huge. Already took an L this Asian session. Ah, that's tough, bro, but you followed your plan, right? As long as you did, then you're good. As long as you did, you're good, man. The volume seems to have died a little bit here, but this 5 can flip and then start to push down. Decent. As I say that, then it reflips and pushes up, but you know what I mean. You know how it works, chat. Volume is low, yeah, it is. It should pick up around like 10:30ish. Around the 30-minute closure, we should be good. I'm not going to manage off this 30 closure because I think that trade's based more off the 1 and the 4 than it is the 30, right? And yeah, I would rather wait for the 1 hour closure if we were to manage. Risk. Just need a bottom wick on this candle, man. That's all we're asking for, gold. It's very simple. My plan is to win. It's a good plan. But how are you going to win? How are you going to win, my boy? Chat. I just got a text, yeah? Crazy. Hang on. Let me just check this. Chat, I got a text from Jerome Powell right now. He just said that if we can get to 120 likes, or 100 likes, sorry, then he said it's going to hit TP. Jerome Powell's learned how to use text now. He's an old man, but he's figured it out. He's got one of those old Nokias where you have to press the button a few times. Yeah, 100 likes, chat. $15's coming close to flipping. Did it flip? I think it did. See a little wick on it. It must have flipped. I got it too from Obama. Crazy. Obama controls Biden, right? So that makes sense. So we rejected a little bit off that 15 flip, but yeah, man. 15 flipped a tiny bit. Chat's like, fuck. Every time chat sees the candle pushing up, they're like, fuck. And when they see it coming close to price, they're like, yes. Fuck. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Oh, yes. It's classic. I know the feeling, chat. I've been there. You're in a bit of drawdown, you see price pushing up, you're like, your hopes start getting a little bit higher and a little bit higher, and you come close, you're like, come on, yeah, yes. And then it does something like this, you're like, no, no, no. Okay, chat, we're pushing up here. That's not ideal, but it is what it is, man. Came close to... Oh, we actually came break even. I didn't notice that. Just with spreads, we probably wouldn't have been. See what happens here, chat. We need a bottom wick anyway. At some point, you would expect to make a bottom wick. So let's see. The volume's pretty dead right now as well. Yeah, 30 closes in about 30 seconds here. You planning to try out Alpha Futures? Yeah, I haven't looked at it, bro, to be honest, but I think I will. I've been a bit busy. I haven't looked at it, but I meant to speak to Alex recently. Crazy. So we were going to close respecting, but we pushed up in the last like minute or so. So the 30 actually closed technically above this level here, I would say, which is not the best thing. But you know the vibes. Might need to see a little bit more drawdown here, chat, if we are going to come down and have a good closure. Because at the minute right now, this could just be a 30-minute bottom wick. But like I said, the trade's not based off the 30, so I'm not going to manage it off the 30. Oh my god, there's some volume though, wow. Saw a little spike there. Chat, if you want to close break even, now is your opportunity to do so, right? I'm going to stay in because I believe that we need a bottom wick still on this 4 hour. But if you do want to, you've got an exit opportunity, right? Again though, chat, this could just be a 30-minute bottom wick, so I'd just be careful of that right now. Can we flip here though? Let's see. Or I will have to make a bottom wick at some point as well. Yeah, 100%, bro. See what happens, chat. There's some volume coming into the market there. Whether it was just a temporary spike because of the 30 open or not, we don't know, but yeah, we'll see. Big push here, chat. Can you come down and flip? Closed out, so it should drive. Classic Jan. Might drive in the wrong direction there. Chat, like I said, right, you had an opportunity to get out break even. I think we saw a profit of like 4 pips there or something. I know, yeah, 3 pips max. So Just 30 flips, you might see a little bit more drawdown, but I still believe you need to come down for a bottom wick at some point. Technically, did the 30 close above? I suppose it did, right? Probably did, chat. You might see it reflip here, and then you might see a little bit more drawdown, chat, but that's okay, right? We're fine with that. We understand what the trade's based off of. It's not based off the 30 minute, it's based off of the 1 hour. Yes, the 30 might push here, but we'll see. If you got out break even, then that's your decision. Fair enough. For me, I just was like, yeah, I believe in the trade still, so. Nothing I can do right now, chat, other than wait, to be honest. If you saw this 4 hour, right, you wouldn't be scared. Because you're looking at the 30 minute right now, you're a little bit concerned. You see that it flips and everything, which is fine, I understand that. It may lead to more drawdown, yes. But if you look at the 4 hour and the 1, you wouldn't be as scared. This 4 hour looks clean. And even if it stops, chat, who cares? Right? Because you will manage risk appropriately. Took another entry at the top, so managed to close in profit. Still looks good on the 4 hour. Bro, good shit, Jan. Good shit. That's cool, man. Let's see though, chat. Can we push down again? New 5, no top wick as well. Interesting. But you see what we're respecting on the 5 here, chat. Look, you have a level here that you've sort of respected every single time. But yeah, this 5 could flip. Obviously, we hope it doesn't, but it could. Very well could. Okay, so this 5 made a top wick for itself now and then sort of flipped, which is interesting. But yeah, there's volume coming into the market, chat, so that's important, right? It's definitely important. They did say that they wanted to come into the market, eh? A lot of time left on this 5 minute though, chat. You might see it flip again still and break the highs. It's very possible. These candles are on something, bro. Trust me. If I delete buy stops and wait for, if I delete the stops and wait for the 1 hour close for buyers, what do you think? It'll just leave stops at the flip. I don't know, bro. It's up to you. That's your trade at that point. I'm already in sales, right? So I'm presuming that, like, for me, it's still valid that price needs to come and make a bottom wick. The reason I didn't get a wick entry is because I don't know how far it's going to go after. Sorry, the reason I didn't get a flip entry is because I don't know how far it's going to go down after that point. So we were looking for sort of an advantage point. And yes, we didn't get the best entry, but that's still our advantage point right now. What the fuck? Did you see that? Did you just see that, chat? Where it like reflip, broke the lows for a second, then reflipped again in about 0.1 second. You might see some more drawdown here, chat. Just be careful, yeah? I haven't moved stops at all, bro. Rosie. Sorry, I was just reading out a chat. I haven't moved anything. $22 minutes left in this 1 hour, right? Remember what we said about seeing moves towards the end of the candle as well. You might see it start to flip at, you know, 5 minutes to the end of 5 minutes to 11, let's say. Could be anything here. Cool, chat. Let's see what happens, man. We've got the 5 minute close coming in a minute. We're starting to just create a bit of a range over here, which would be good to break out of, to be honest. We are following our playbook, so for me, there isn't anything I can do here until the next resistance or minor resistance. Exactly, bro. Exactly, and you understand as well that the trade is based off the 1 hour and the 4 hours, so that's the only time frame you can manage off of. You can't manage off of anything else. I feel like our entry has been made as sort of a resistance here on the 5, so it's trying to break through that, but it's struggling a few times. But that's okay. It's not a problem. My opinion, the more time top wick candle create, then the higher chance the candle can go down deeper when it flips. Yeah, I agree. It's just grabbing liquidity, man. Just 4 hours worry for 2-pin bar. Yeah, but it still should make a bottom wick either way. I also don't trade that, you know. 4 hour now, 21 pip top wick. She's good to flip. Is that your little average thing? Not little, I don't want to say that. Is that the average thing you've got? Don't you know, pump it down. What's good, Francesca? How you doing, bro? Long time no see, my friend. Long time no see. Chat, look, the 5 closed bearish here, left a wick, and now has grabbed the top wick. So if you can see this next 5 flip down, I think you might be chilling. Yeah, that is a nice 5 closure and a nice 5 opening, to be fair as well. Obviously, the 5 wicks are a little bit different because it makes it pushes without a wick more often than the higher time frames. Obviously, that just makes sense naturally. But yeah, man, wait and see. This could just rip without a bottom wick for all we know. But chat, like Jerome Powell said, man, as long as we're below 100 likes, we're not gonna hit TP. So you have to get us above that, Mr. JP. It's his rules, not mine. Can we flip here, right? We understand we've got a break-even point on this flip right here. Template stops to be. Yeah, it's just created a range here. It's just created a little range, but it's fine. Not a problem at all. Is Hugh still on vacay? I think he is, yeah. I think he's still in Croatia. Still in Croatia. What would be good as well, if you could start to see like a 15-minute and even better, a 30-minute close back in this range, you'll see a fake out play. Be informed. Should be nice. Alternatively, we can just push up all the way without a 5 bottom wick. That's the other option. Classic. Told you guys we'd have a bit of a longer stream today. What's good, Atomic Habit? How you doing, man? This is classic gold here right now. You get the 5 closure that you need, perfect, left a wick and everything, and then the next 5 says, nah, you're good, bro. You're chilling. Don't worry about it. Do we have enough liquidity to drive? I would have said yes, but apparently not. Apparently we need to grab some more. There he goes. There's a little bit of a push here, chat. Again, though, like we said, 5 no bottom wick. Just decided to go crazy. That's all she wrote, man. Well, it's not, but for that little push there it is. Trade's still valid for me, chat. We just have to wait and see on this one. You broke the previous 4 highs too, so that could be good for liquidity, right? If you broke the previous 4 highs without grabbing a top wick, you should be alright. Nice rejection there. That's another indicator for you, right? If you can start to come and close below here, that'd be great. Got 5 seconds though, so I don't know. We did come and reject quite heavily though, which is good. It just depends what we want to do on the next candle. Is that the 15-minute close? Yeah, it was. So 15 closed. I closed bullish, to be fair. It would have been great if we would have come and closed just below after that 5 wick. But the thing is, right, we've tapped into this level now, this liquidity area at 2318.3-ish, right? And you rejected quite heavily off of that. So could that be enough to push us down? Potentially. I think in the past we've tapped there and started to push. 2318. Yeah, exactly the same area, chat. So we've started to reject off this area before in the past and drive down. So can we see the same thing happening now? Potentially, right? Potentially. It's literally the exact same area to the dot, which would be great. $15 doesn't look the best with the bottom wick, I understand that. But yeah, man, look, if you look at the 30 and the 1, it's still looking okay. So, and the 4, obviously, it looks good. The 4 and the 1 look great. It looks textbook to come back down. If we had a better entry, obviously we'd be laughing right now. Everyone would be chilling. But see, that's the thing. Just because the entry wasn't as good doesn't mean the trade isn't valid. If you would have got an entry up here right now, you'd be saying, "Wow, this is a great trade." Just because we got a bit of a lower entry, the trade's still valid for the flip, right? Targeting that, it's definitely still valid. It's just, yeah, we just didn't get the best entry, and it's okay to recognize that, chat. It's fine. You're not always going to get a great entry, a perfect entry, or even a good entry. So now by Gold's logic, this 5 minutes should drive straight down to flip the 1 hour. Now by Gold's logic, bro, it will respect the technical analysis and the 5 minute flips when it's going in your favor. But when it's going against your favor, it won't do any of the flips. It's a classic gold play right there. Can we see yeah, man. Chat, 190 of you in here, man. I really appreciate it. So subscribe if you're new. We've got a new video coming out today as well. It's going to be pretty fucking sick, I can't lie. I think it's going to be the best video I've ever released. I haven't seen it yet, I haven't previewed it, but from what I've heard, apparently it's next level, and yeah, I think it will be the best video I've ever released. It's gonna be a long one too. It's a podcast, so it's like gonna be like an hour, but should be nice. And I think yeah, man, other than that, there's still a lot of value, right? We've got a new course episode coming out this week. The journal comes out on Friday, right? So if you haven't already, go and pre-order that journal. It's free, obviously, so when I say pre-order, I mean like pre-register, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. What time is the release, brother? I don't know, bro. I actually don't know. I'll probably do it on stream, to be honest. That makes the most sense. If everything's ready by then, which it should be, then I'll just drop it on stream. On the grind, bro. I see you. Always, bro. Always. It's a different level up here. We work way harder than anyone else. I promise you that. I promise you. No one's working as hard as we are, man. How do we pre-order? Just go to exclamation mark journal here, and it will take you to the what page. Don't get scared. You don't have to pay for anything. All right, it's the free option on the what page where it says like the journal / trendlines VIP. Yeah, so you just go to there, type that, and then you get the trend journal, the best FX and futures journal, and then you click join waitlist, and then you're in there, man. That's it. I open sell on gold. I'm on the right track. Let's see, bro. We're also in sales, but what's good, Dragon? I don't know, man. We'll wait and see right now. Can't lie about you are perfect, dear. Thank you, brother. Look at the 5 minute. I know. I see that it's got no wicks. I understand that. Don't you worry. I'm looking at every single price, like every single. I'm not gonna miss anything, chat. That's what I'm trying to say. You might think that I don't see stuff because I skim over it, but I see everything. Thank you, Raze. Just the way you are. Okay, chat. Good. That's a decent 5 closure there. But again, last time we had a good 5 closure, and you saw what happened. So, you know the vibes, man. Barcode City. Let's see what happens. Chat, I want to go downstairs and grab a drink, but I feel like what the fuck happens if we come down and have to go stops to break even? Like, chat, we're gonna see the same thing on the 5 as we just saw, right? We come down and then we come straight back up. I don't know. Then you hit TP. Not hit TP, but I mean if it's a closure, right? Chat, don't worry, I'm not scared to go get a drink, it's fine. I'm just I just want to watch for a sec. Go grab juice, bro, lo. We'll message in Discord. No, I'm not worried about me missing it, I'm worried about you guys missing it. I'll see it on my phone, bro. Like, it's not a problem, I'll look on MT5, but I don't want you guys to... Like, bro, if I'm going to close and you guys don't know and then it goes back in drawdown, I'm going to be like, fuck. I don't care about me missing it. Have no fear, we have 100 likes. There you go, see? Jerome Powell's gonna come through for us. It's good, Jules. How you doing, bro? I notice when the streamer leaves, it tends to drive, so go. Yeah, true, actually. That's a good point, chat. I'm gonna dip right now, in the hopes that... Oh my days, did we hit TP? Did we hit TP? Did we hit... Ah. Bro, that's what you lot are like, I swear. Bro, mods. Get that shit out of there. What the fuck? You guys can't leave that in chat. Good morning, good evening to all the wonderful traders learning from this super patient trader. Learn well, and I wish you all the best for the trade you're in. I appreciate that, Creed. Good stuff. Appreciate the positivity again. Right. Good, Jordy. How you doing, brother? That's 15 looks a bit ugly, eh? It looks a bit ugly. Thing is, right now, yeah, we're just struggling. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say we're struggling on either side of the range. You've grabbed so much liquidity from up here, you would presume that you need to grab some from the downside as well. I suppose this could be it, but... This is a scenario where you can win with both buys and sells, right? You know how some people might have taken this closure above and looked for buys up, and they would have taken a dub. But then we also might end up taking a dub with the sells, because we might come down and you know, get that flip. Will you manage risk if the one closes above? Yeah, potentially. So if the one closes above this level here, above 23.17, I'll manage. Above there, I'll manage it. Until then, I'd probably not, bro. I took B on the second push down, but chilling with you guys. Yeah, good shit, bro. If you wanted to manage risks like that, then that's fire, bro. That's absolutely fine. Yeah, I haven't traded gold this week. Couldn't understand the gold current price action. It is squeezed in a very nicely range. I feel until it breaks 23.87 or taps 22.72, we'll be hanging on a thread. Yeah, that's good that you didn't trade it, bro, if you didn't understand it. That's very good. It's definitely an interesting one. I think you're right. It's a little bit tough in this zone, but at the minute... Yeah, at the minute it is ranging. So if you don't understand it and you, like, you know, then you're chilling to not take a trade, of course. Sell stop not activated, chat, bro. I wish. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah, imagine that's the easy way out of this one. I just go, all right, chat. I'm gonna delete sell stops now. Everyone's like, what? We thought you were in a wick entry. I'm like, nah. Not me. No way. And then I'm just like, anyway, guys, W date. Chat, you guys know I'd never do that, eh? I'd never do that to you guys. What's gonna happen here, though, chat? This 5's starting to flip. You might see a bit more drawdown here. Again, chat, we're only 14 pips in drawdown, not even 12 pips in drawdown or something right now. Can we take buys? You can take buys if you want. 30 closed above, technically, so yeah, you could. It's up to you, brother. I just expect that this 4 hour needs a bottom wick at some point, and the 1 as well. You called this position for the meme, it wasn't meant to be taken seriously. Yeah, exactly. Chat, what? No, I was just joking. I'm not actually in a position. Imagine. For anyone who can't understand sarcasm, chat, that is a joke. I actually am in this position, obviously. 4 hour will flip after the 1 closure. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Even if the 1 closes above, right, you might see the next one come down, grab a bottom wick for it, and then you see the reflip, right? And that's fine. We'll get out on that bottom wick if that happens. See what happens here though, chat. But you've had a lot of exit opportunities, right? We've had like 2 or 3 right now. You would expect this 1 hour to make a bottom wick either way. So hopefully in 2 minutes time, we can close respecting this level here. If we can close like even like this, that's fine. I'm happy with that. And then you just want to see a bottom wick being made. And wick to fill 2. You came up with a plan 8. No, I wish. Sam, does ACG let you close at 11 as there is a 2-star news at 11? What do you mean, does ACG let you close at 11? You can close wherever you want, no? What do you mean? Delete self-stop now, Sam. Nah. And I'm in wick entries, bro. There's no self-stop here. No news trading with ACG. It's a yellow folder, bro. And I think you can trade news with ACG. I don't know, but yeah, man. It's a yellow folder. It won't make a difference. Last minute flip. No, I wish. I don't think we're gonna see a flip here. I think this 5 closure is very important though. If you start to reject right now, it might be a bit of a problem, but we'll see. I'd love to see the 1 close somewhere like this or even further down, obviously. 48 seconds, that's a lot of time. On ACG calendar, there is a 2-star news event. I don't know what 2-star news is, to be honest, but on Forex Factory, bro, all there is GBP yellow folder news. That's all we've got here. Joking, well, oh wait, no. Let's see what happens on this closure, chat. It's very important. We might manage off of this closure, right? So we need to see what happens here. Okay, that's a good closure for us, chat. I can't lie. It's a good closure. So the 30 closed back into the range. The 1 hour close respecting the overall level. You should be good to push down here, chat. I can't lie. Should be good, especially after you break these lows. Should be chilling. Let's see though. Let's see. We're about 3 pips away from the flip here. Can we flip? Okay, chat, this is now going to be a risk-free trade, right? Risk-free trade. I'm going to let this one run for a little bit, see if we can push down a little bit further. But yeah, that's about it here, chat. So risk-free, money's off the table right now. And yeah, I'm going to go and close my full position. Hang on. At 12 pips right there, close full. Dubs, chat. Absolute W's. So this could run, but I'm closing full right there. 12 pips, I think. Hang on, what did we sit at here? Yeah, 12 pips. Dubs. Chat, we do this every day, man. 8:30 a.m. UK time. Make sure you pull up to the streams. Free Discord, free journal, free course. We teach this for absolutely free. We're taking those pips. Man, we believed in the trade the whole way through. The plan played out. What can you expect, man? What can you expect? No messing around. Absolute W's. Dubs in the chat. Guys, congratulate yourselves if you took that trade as well. If you stayed disciplined, stayed, locked in, your psychology was good, you took a win. Even if that trade took a loss, you would have taken a win. So, absolute W. W analysis, W chat, W stream, W day, man. We're going to call it there for the day. Good shit, chat. See, we believed in these trades, man. We believe in them. Huge stuff. But yeah, let's go, man. Let's go. Absolute W if you took that. If you took that trade, then you should be proud of yourself. Congratulate yourself for managing your psychology well. And yeah, that's the most important thing. Just make sure you go journal that trade, especially on Friday. Make sure that you have your journal ready. And yeah, Chat, what a day. What a day, man. Thank you, bro. Nice trade. Nah, all good, man. All good. You did it yourself. No one to thank. You don't have to thank me. That was a risk to reward. No, not risk to reward. Risk to break even there. Chat, this could drive as well, but no FOMO. What I'm actually going to do now is... well, what I would advise you guys to do when you get in a position like this is just close the charts. Just close the charts and walk away, man. You took your win. That's about it, bro. W mentorship, brother. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. I'm glad that it played out for you guys. Truly am. Good shit. Good shit. So that's it for today, man. Drop a like if you haven't already, man. The pip and dippers are real. We've literally gone from 180 to 150 in about a second. But I don't care, man. That's not what it's about. W anyway. I'm gonna scroll the chart up just so that you guys aren't looking and aren't FOMOing. Yeah, drop a like if you didn't already. That was a pretty fucking educational stream, I think. The drawdown there, showing you how we manage drawdown, how we understand where the chart is going, and then yeah, man, that's a big lesson. Not a lesson, but a big, I'd say an example, right? You have to learn how to be able to manage these situations. You know, there's always going to be a fear of a loss, right? When you're in these drawdown situations, you're always somewhat fearful. I wouldn't say fearful, but yeah, there's always some emotion in the back of your head, but you have to learn to just get rid of that and understand that the way that you manage the trade has to be off of price action. And that's what we did today. So be proud of yourselves for that. And yeah, thanks, Sam. All good, Adam. Can't even spam W on the phone. I know, bro. I've tried it before. Spamming W on the phone is not easy. But huge chat, huge. Good shit. So let me do a video for Instagram real quick, chat. I need you guys to spam the dubs one more time. I need you guys to spam those dubs. Cool, man. Thank you, chat. I appreciate that. Thanks for the dubs, man. Thanks for the dubs. Cool. Good stuff. Great. So, there's nothing left to do now. Shit, look at that 5 closure. No bottom wick as well. We would have closed anyway. We stay winning. Yes, sir. We definitely do. You know what we got to do now, though, chat? We've got to play that good old pixel letters, man. We got to play the game. Game of the season. Run it. Josh is here as well. We're locked in, man. Cool. Just wanted to check that video was good enough. Perfect. Why is this to the side, though? Someone tell me. Bro, why is it like halfway? What the fuck? Let me take the overlay off. I'm gonna have to just wait. Actually, I'll just do this shit. Fuck yeah. Pixletters.com. There you go. All right, we're chilling. Cool. So, Beanington. Bro, I really wish it hit Beans whilst Eugene wasn't here, just for the fuck you effect. No, I'm joking. Oh, decent start. Just that drawdown. Cool. What are we thinking here, chat? Personal beef with Huge. Nah. It's on site with Eugene, bro. It's on site. Drums? No, it can't be that. Personal beans. Yeah, true. Froze. That's a good guess. No, it can't be froze. It can't be froze. It's got to be like a C in the fourth letter, I think, right? I'm going to train right now. Have a good day, Neo. Yeah, catch you in a bit, Neo, man. Bro, chat. Pros? I swear we've had that word before. I feel like we've had that before. Anyway, W, good guess, Josh. This guy comes in and cleans up again, sweeping the floors. We're hitting TP because 100 likes, bro. Oh shit, are we? Oh. Uh-oh, chat. Uh-oh. FOMO. Nah, no FOMO around here, bro. Bro, for my journal, what setup was the trade? So that trade was... Hang on. It was essentially just a breakout and then a wick. Breakout, wick entry. We are pushing though, chat. Shit. Would we have hit break even though? No, we wouldn't as well. Oh well. It's part of the game. Yeah, so it's just a wick entry, bro. But yeah, breakout on the 4-hour wick entry. Very simple. First trade with you is a win. That's a good start. Have a great night / day, everyone. 3 AM here. See you in a bit, bro. Go get some rest, man. Okay, Sam, my target will be here any minute now. I'll see you later. Got to complete this contract. Yeah, see you in a bit, bro. Wait, what? Target and contract? Bro, is Joshua an assassin or what? Chat, is this guy an assassin? Okay, Sam, my target will be here any minute now. I'll see you later. Got to complete this contract. Bro's a contract killer. There's no doubt. Bro's target's on the way. Target acquired. Type shit. Oh shit, we need to add trades taken. Gold buys, gold sells 12 pips. 12 pips was already there though. We love a good 12 pip trade, eh? We love it. Let me change the trades taken as well overall. Where is it? Stream record. Takes us to 14 wins on stream. W. J-Power's the target. Yeah, 100%. Chat, what's this word, man? Don't you worry. Do not worry about it. I've got it covered. Don't stress, man. Chat, what's this final letter? What's this final word? Blol? I don't think it's bloke. That's a good guess, you know. I didn't know that was actually a word. Obviously it's a word, I didn't know it was in the dictionary. Sam, but you deleted the sell stop. Oh yeah, trust me. Look at the time, you're welcome. 11:11, man, make a wish, chat. Or chat, text that girl that you fancy. It's 11:11, text her right now. She'll think you're a sign. Trust me. Yeah, alright, bet. SG, check your DMs. That's crazy, Raze. That is crazy from you. Unreal. And we get the word straight after. Presume. Crazy. Oh shit, chat. Oh no, man. But we're pushing. Chat, I know it looks like we pushed a lot. We're literally like 3 pips away from entry. Not even. But yeah, man, cool. Chat, that's going to be it for the day. Listen, give yourselves a pat on the back for that trade, man. I know that was the first trade that we've had that actually like stayed in drawdown for a while. So I understand that, yeah, that's a little bit tough, or it can be a little bit difficult on your emotions. But right now, we managed that so well. We stuck to the plan completely, chat. I'm very proud of you all. Yeah, man. Let's lock it in for tomorrow. If you're trading New York session, make sure you trade carefully, be responsible, stick to your plan, all that good shit. Make sure you also go and get yourself signed up for the free journal if you want it, man. It's there for a reason. It's a very good resource. It'll be coming out Friday, so get yourself signed up for that. And other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. And yeah, man, what a stream. Big dubs all round. Have a great day, man. See you later. Fuck it, we'll play this.